Now, what is the data sufficiency structure? The data sufficiency questions consist of a question, two statements or affirmations that are always true. They are labeled 1 and 2, and the same 5 answer choices that appear below. The purpose of this type of question is to validate whether using the information in the statements, first individually, and perhaps also combining the information in both statements, you're able to deliver just one answer to the question. So when we talk about solving the question using one of the statements, that is to say you need to consider 5 possibilities described by each of the 5 answer choices. In the first possibility, the first statement alone is sufficient, that is, allows you to deliver a unique answer to the question, but the statement 2 doesn't. The second possibility of answer is exactly the opposite. You have the possibility to respond to the question in a unique way using statement 2, but not statement 1. Option C is when the 2 statements taken together allow you to give a unique answer to the question, but not independently. Option D is when each statement on its own allows you to give a unique answer to the question. And option E is when, even when you combine the statements, you don't get a unique answer to the question. Obviously, you cannot do that also with the statements alone. So, the meaning of sufficiency is key for you to successfully solve data sufficiency questions. Sufficiency means that you're able to give a unique answer to the question. If the question is asking you, for example, about the value of a certain variable, what is the value of X? A unique answer would mean that using the statement in question, you can just give one number for an answer. If you're able to give 2 or more numbers for the value of that variable, then you would say that the statement is insufficient. But consider another type of question. What about yes-no questions? Yes-no questions are interesting. You're supposed to answer yes or no. What if using the information in one statement, you can deliver a yes or you can deliver a no? Yeah, no problem. That would mean a unique answer. But if in some cases you're able to respond that yes, and in some other cases you're able to respond that no, using the information in the same statement, then you say that the statement is not sufficient. Okay? Any other arguments in favor of sufficiency or insufficiency are nil. Please don't consider that, because the only criterion by which you evaluate sufficiency is clearly stated here.